right, you guys. I don't know what day this is. This is day 300. OMG. You don't realize how much stuff you have till you realize how much stuff you have. Is it upside down? Today I'm packing my office. So I'm packing my office today. I took the kids to the Waffle House. You know, I try to stay away from places that revert me back to my old attitude. And Waffle House is definitely on that list. The lady was just really not nice. The lady at Waffle House today was not nice. She had a little bit of an attitude because I asked for plastic. And the only reason why I asked for plastic is because that stuff is always looking kind of spotty. I do get the water hot enough. I just like to use plastic. She got upset. I left her a good tip. And I put God bless you on her ticket. I don't know if it fixed the problem with her attitude, but I hope it did. I gotta take these plans out. This is for my client. I'm gonna leave these. I gotta make sure to take everybody's stuff so that way I'm not starting from scratch with their house plans. Oh yeah. Willow, I got you, girl. I got you. I got you, girl. I got you, girl. Come on. You guys. Oh my gosh. It fit in there.
Look at this. I was so close. If I just had enough space, I could have lined everything up right here. I'm gonna try again. Today's one of those days where I woke up and I was in a really great mood, so I just decided to just do as much as possible while I could get some things done. I also started this like 27-day cleanse of some sort where I'm posting affirmations or confirmations on Instagram, even my community, with every day leading up until my birthday, which is really helping me out a whole lot. That's something that has really been helping me out, and I'm trying to kind of touch base with you guys while I'm going through my journey without necessarily telling you guys that I'm going through the journey. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish packing. For me, the most important thing is trying not to break and damage anything, just because financially I'm not trying to replace too many things. So I just want to make sure that I pack everything to the best of my ability as possible. It's not perfect. It surely isn't the best, but I know where things are at. I know how things are placed, and I know how I want them to be stored. So that's just really helped me put things together. And then also making sure I don't lose any screws to anything, just packing everything, taping things up, all the screws together, and then not breaking anything for sure.
Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town.
So while I'm downstairs handling everything in the office, I have the two gentlemen upstairs tackling the closet. These are the gentlemen that work with Tony. They are his installers and uninstallers, and in this case they are uninstalling the closet. I want you guys to see this because in my closet tour I spoke to you guys about the facing on the closet, and I don't think some of you guys knew what I was talking about. Some of you guys did, and I may have been saying it improperly, but I'm still gonna call it that. And that is the piece right there, that flush piece that he is moving. So each panel on the side of the closet, they're unfinished, and that piece goes on the outside of each unit, making it look really nice and custom and finished, but they're all different units. So he's taking a unit down currently, as you can see. And that's where I kind of put shoes, handbags, boxes, you know, miscellaneous things. And then each tower I have, I think it's 18 inches wide, and then I have 24 or something like that. I think one's 24 and one's 30, if I'm not mistaken, for where my shoes are at. Each tower is different. Even the tower in the back, it's a corner unit. It's shaped like a diamond, basically, and it's just screwed and drilled to the back wall, and then all the pieces are put together. I wanted you guys to actually see the dismantling so you can see the closet yourself with your own eyes, like how everything comes out. And then the next installation, that way you'll see why the investment was made in the first place. Because sometimes I think people see things and they automatically associate something being expensive as a waste of money, and in this, it wasn't really a waste. It was actually really great, especially considering this is going to be the third time that the closet is being moved. I mean, considering the circumstances, it's definitely nothing to brag about. Let me just say that now. But it's really good to know that a great investment was made. Like I said, this was definitely the selling point of the closet. When my birthday came around, we were looking to do an upgrade with the unit that I had from Closet Made. The one from Closet Made is very similar to IKEA. Not going against IKEA whatsoever. I think the pieces are good for different things. I don't know too many people that's been able to move and had things that kind of stay intact and even change the color and all that. But if you have an IKEA closet and you've been able to move it and do all these things without having to tear the whole thing down or anything ripping, definitely feel free to comment and let me know, because, you know, I might look into it.
It's a new day. Gotta play it cool. Keep my head up above the water. Yeah, it's all I gotta do. Quit drinking.
I don't know. I know people say things about like, oh, you don't need to have a closet. It's unnecessary. But honestly, it's just really good to have all your stuff in one room and you're not looking all over, like in the master bathroom, in the closet, over here, over there. Everything is just in one space. So I 100% appreciate Babe for building this originally in the last house. So that was just good. But yeah, it's just a really, really good little thing. And if you're wondering, yes, I'm saying Babe, I've been with this person for 10 years, and regardless to what, like, we're family, we're co-parenting, and she's always going to be a part of my life regardless. So I'll stop saying Babe one day, just not today. But yeah, you guys, they're doing a really, really good job. Let me show you guys the wall real quick, because it's not that bad. If you wanted to know any damages and stuff, it's really not that bad. But I have the guy coming in, my thing's out of focus, but I have the guy coming in to do the drywall work to get everything patched up. And then I have another guy coming to paint the room, so that way when I leave, it'll be back into a bedroom. The only thing that's going to need to get done is getting a wire rack, like, placed back here. But, yep. My island. For those of you guys who did not see the process, I don't even know if I recorded the whole thing. But this is my island, as you can see. All they did was take the top off. They're going to pull the drawers out, take this down, and then get these back. I want to show you this, because this is the island. They start taking it out. Some of you guys I have been asking about it, and this is the custom. And you can still see some of the pencil markings on there from when they were building it. But he built all of this, you guys, like all of this. Every single last one of it. If you hear the beeping, they're fixing the smoke detector, because the thing's been beeping for days now, and I've changed the battery, done everything, and it just wouldn't stop.
This is me on YouTube?
Yeah.
I'll be sure to watch it.
Yeah. Yes?
Can I brush my teeth and then go to the pool?
We're going to the pool today.
To the pool?
Yeah.
No, we gotta take him to the river.
They would like that though. OMG, it is getting real. I'm gonna go buy a box today and put all of my flowers in it. And then I'm gonna make some more in my free time because I would like the entire wall to be filled with it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on because I never really got that one done. So I'm gonna have a little bit more free time on my hand, and in that free time I'm gonna make me some more petals. So be on the lookout for that. I know I'm supposed to been do it, y'all, but life happens and I just didn't do it. But guys, took about another hour and got everything done. So pretty much my office stuff is in the bag right over here, and then they're putting the cabinets upside down in here. And bye, have a good day. That is because if you see the notches above here, they would not be stationed. Closer to when it's time to get the place done, they're gonna come back and pick it up so they can paint it. So I do want it to be in the front, that way they can have easy access to it. Oh yeah.
It's jam up jelly top.
It's gonna be jelly tight, but it's gonna be in there. It's gonna be in there. These chairs, I have to bring this in Tuesday, but this is going in my new place. The back, you guys know the back is getting done. I purchased an extra one, and I gotta take that to go get done. So I'll have 5 chairs. I don't know if I want a round or if I want a square or rectangle table. So I did 5 chairs, but the good thing is I have access to get another one. So for right now, you got a little preview of what's gonna go in the house. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. See? I told y'all it's just a facing. You might be able to slide it right up in here. You want to do that? Yeah, just slide it right up in there. Perfect. Oh, yay! You want to help me take these and just...
Oh, yeah, we'll help you.
Yeah.
My mirror. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna call Tony and say, you want them to bring
Yeah, I do. Yes. Please check that out. Be right back. You guys, I want to show you something really quickly. So the guys were moving and they were telling me that they're thinking the guy who made my closet, he's gonna scrap these cabinets. But I love the color. They're supposed to be vanities for a bathroom. And I was thinking that I can put them in my garage and put brass hardware on them. And, get the trimming. It's supposed to be a sink, but I would just get a countertop to just place on top of it, like something nice, nothing too expensive, probably some coriander or something to cut on top. And I would just put it in my garage if he gives it to me. I'll keep you guys posted. Check the comment description box. Check the description box. I had to show you guys though, because he was like, you like it? It's doodle green. I was like, are you kidding me? Some brass hardware, some bright white, even doing black walls will look really, really good with it. So I'm like, I can definitely make it work. But again, check the description box. I'll let you guys know what he says. But I'm so... Oh, he got to get these little... He's got to get this for my closet too. That's got to go in there. But yeah, I love this, you guys. They did a really, really good job with just stacking everything and putting everything up. I'm like super, super grateful because they just was a major help. What do you say?
Yeah.
Look at God. I can have them. You guys. Okay. Hey, you there. I see you over there. I see you in the air. I see you over there. Hey. Oh, yes. you guys are gonna come install it, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna switch out too. Oh my goodness! It just looks so good. So let me do this.
You just sit up, stand up right here. I'm fine.
Well, you can move this one out. You can move that out. And then we can move this. Because like I said, these are not mine. So as long as it looks so good. Oh, thank you.
So now this end's unfinished, and I have to go up against the corner.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know what I'm saying? You see it. Put it in a corner.
Or I can always get them to have the countertop kind of waterfall.
No.
And if it doesn't work in a corner, I don't know.
I'm sure you come up with something.
Yes, I will.
Oh, let's get this.
It looks so good. Look at that,
Also,
y'all.
these.
Look at that, y'all. Look at God.